My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Volkswagen ID.4. This vehicle has done just under 30,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we have our main features, which include navigation, smartphone integration and Bluetooth, and charging. If we press here, we can access our air care, classic climate and smart climate to help improve the vehicle's range, which includes heated seats on either side. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of the seats have a leather trim and get a good view of the panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.